Hey everybody, how's it going? Happy Saturday. I'm finished with that one flip that I wanted to show you guys just real fast because I thought it was pretty cool the way it turned out. So I'll switch the camera here right now. So I'm not sure if what you remember it looked like, but here's what Grove Street looks like now. So we actually ended up pre-selling this house. It's never gonna end up going on the market, but it's a really old house. And that's kind of why I liked it. It changed around the layout quite a bit. So if you remember, this used to be just a window here, and you would walk in through over there, but that's now blocked off. We did a little bit of a mud room here, and bada bing, bada boom, we changed the space pretty dramatically. If you remember, the living room was here and here, and there's a big wall and a small kitchen back there. So we actually walled that area off and opened this area up. Kept the bay window. We built all this. This is all new. So we've got a little hallway into our bedrooms. So this is new. This used to be the living room, and this is now your master bedroom with a master bathroom, which is pretty sweet. Got all that, everything's been pretty updated here, completely new. And yeah, I thought that it was kind of a unique project that we did because we don't usually dive into that kind of construction, but it needed it. So, new kitchen area here. We didn't do a whole lot. We added the island here, of course, and redid everything, but we left the layout pretty much the same. And then we've got our laundry area back here. We got our big old bathroom. We left that alone as well. And then we just cosmetically, just did some cosmetic work, paint, carpet, stairs, things like that. But anyways, I thought I'd show you guys for anybody that actually was interested in the follow-up of that, because this house was really old and pretty ugly. And now we have recently just turned it into a little gem. And hopefully a nice new family will be moving in here on Wednesday. So enjoy your Saturday. Hope all's well, everybody. And I'll see you later. Bye.